Gaurav Anand. I'm doing the second experiment of C# lab that the topic is operator overloading. The aim of the experiment is to write a many-driven program in C#.NET to perform currency conversion by using operator overloading. So basically, it's going to be a many-driven program. So basically, when it comes to operator overloading, it is about in programming, operator overloading, sometimes termed operator ad hoc polymorphism, in a specific case of polymorphism where different operators having different implementation depending on the argument. Operator overloading is generally defined by programming languages, a programmer, or both. And also, operator loading permits user-defined operator implementation to be specified for operations where one or both of the operand are a user-defined class or a structure type. So now let me come to the program. Well, this is the program for using operator overloading. Here, it's a basically a menu-driven program. That's what I told in starting. We have four operations over here. First is dollar to rupee, euro to rupee, Malaysian ringgit to rupee, and pounds to rupee. These are the four conversions which we're going to do over here. So, and each has a different case. Like case one is for dollar to rupee, case two for euro to rupee, case three is for Malaysian to rupee, and case four is for pounds to rupee. Now over here, suppose in the case one, we take the user input from the console. Here we enter the dollar amount. Like user enters the whatever the dollar amount he wants, and then he enter the dollar value. And accordingly, we create two objects over here in the currency class. This the object is being created through currency class. The currency class is over here, class currency. In that, there's a different operations are going on. So here the currency object is equal to new currency. We create two objects altogether. So object one dot x we store the dollar value, and second object will have the value of the dollar, like how much this $1 is all about. And then we go. There's a third object which calls the new currency class, and object 3 dot x equals to object 1 dot at asterisk object 2 dot. This is the operator overloading function which you're using in this. Once the program comes on this, the console, it directly jumps on this part, which does the multiplication operation here with there's two objects. That's what I told, currency object 1 and currency object 2. Here, the whole thing, the object 1 is being multiplied to object 2, accordingly we get the value, and is being stored in object 3. And that same similarly is being stored to object 3, and then we print it to the user output. Same thing if you look for this euro to rupee, we do the same thing. We take the user input, convert to euro values, or like put the euro value, get to objects, and then again do the when this using operator overloading, we jump back to this particular statement. Here again two objects are created; those are being multiplied and stored in the third object. Accordingly, we are doing for Malaysian ringgit to rupee and euro pounds to rupee. That's what we are doing. So now let me show you the output. So once I run the program, we get four options like dollar to rupee, euro to rupee, Malaysian ringgit to rupee, and pounds to rupee. So I'm doing for the pounds to rupee. I enter option 4. Now enter the pounds amount. Suppose I have 5 pounds in my pocket. The value supposed to be like 80 or something. So yeah, 5 pounds equals to 400 rupee. That's what it tells. Like it convert the pounds to the rupee. Similarly, if I do for dollar to rupee, oh sorry, it again came for euro, so I'll do for the euro now. So suppose euro value I put as some 95, and the euro value something about 100, 110, anything. So it is 10450. That's what multiplies and does it. Similarly, for I can show you for dollar to rupee, dollar amount I have $10, value some 68. So total amount is 680 rupees. That's what the program is all about. Thank you.